Hollywood. It's not very easy to break into that market. It's a very big competitive market, and she's been doing a fabulous job in India. And I think it's a great moment for the Indian film industry and Indians at large that she's been able to make a debut in such a big film in Hollywood.
What can we expect in 2017?
We're completing our 20 years.
Yeah.
So a lot is going to be in the offering. Yeah. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you.
ये कौन खींच रहा है? खींचो मत यार, गिरेगा बूम आपका। Any question? आगे आइए। Please silent behind.
Congratulations to Viacom for making this kind of a breakthrough here in bringing the East and the West together. And I wish them all the luck and hope it's an exciting experience.
क्या कहाँ हैं आप सब? इतनी रोशनी, इतनी सुबह हो गई। हाँ जी बताएं। Uma, come we'll do this together only, no? We'll do this together. Come. Come. No, as in we are really, मतलब I am really looking forward to it. Uma will speak for herself. I am a huge action film fan, तो मैं तो I am really looking forward. Vin Diesel का fan हूँ. I really like Deepika का भी fan हूँ. So I am really looking forward. Thinking कि यार an Indian actor is doing such a big part in a Hollywood film, so we all looking forward to it.
मैं तो बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हूँ, उत्साहित हूँ, क्योंकि आई थिंक दीपिका पादुकोण बहुत कमाल की एक्ट्रेस है, हमारी लीडिंग स्टार है, एंड वी वेरी प्राउड ऑफ हर दैट शी इज डूइंग सच अ लवली फिल्म, एंड आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड टू सी हर इन द फिल्म। आप दोनों की फिल्म आने वाली है साथ में, जी जी बिल्कुल, बहुत सारी फिल्में आने वाली हैं, तो
बहुत सारी मतलब अभी आएंगी, मतलब इस साल होपफुली फॉर बोथ ऑफ अस इनफैक्ट लुक्स लाइक अ गुड ईयर। वी हैव अ कपल ऑफ रिलीजेस ईच एंड फिंगर्स क्रॉस्ड यार। अब आएंगी तो सबसे पहले आपको ही पता चलेगा ना, आलोक तुम्हें किसने छोड़ा है। सी यू गाइस, थैंक यू।
Yeah. This is good. It's good? No, just back it up to move. Yeah, that's right.
One by one, please.
Yes. Happy New Year आपको भी। आपका गला खराब हो गया।
सीरीज के साथ क्या इस तरह का लगाव है, और आज शाम आप लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड?
मैं दोनों का जवाब दे देता हूँ। आई थिंक बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ, ट्रिपल एक्साइटेड हूँ ट्रिपल एक्स देखने के लिए, एंड दीपिका पादुकोण उसमें स्टार कर रही है, बहुत बड़ी। आई थिंक it's a very big thing for all of us also that she's a part of a Hollywood movie, and Vin Diesel यहाँ पर है, and ये फिल्म देखने का excitement और बढ़ गया है। So I'm really happy. I'm looking forward to the series, to the film, and I've been a fan of Fast and Furious series. I've been a fan of Deepika Padukone तो and Triple X as well. I mean Vin Diesel. तो Vin Diesel सारी चीज़ें एक साथ एक ही फिल्म में देखने को मिल रही है, तो I'm really excited.
आपको पता है अभी दीपिका ने डीजल को भी लुंगी डांस कराया?
अच्छा, ओके, तो बहुत अच्छा किया उन्होंने। दीपिका पादुकोण जी ने विन डीजल को लुंगी डांस कराया है। दैट इज़ अ गुड थिंग, एंड काफ़ी मज़ा आया होगा आई एम श्योर उनको ये करते हुए। थैंक यू सो मच।
ट्रिपल एक्स के आप कितने बड़े दीवाने दीवाने इस सीरीज के?
मैं दीपिका का दीवाना हूँ, ट्रिपल एक्स का कोई दीवाना नहीं हूँ। मैं दीपिका को विश करने आया हूँ। एक्शन फिल्में और मैं तो जाती ही नहीं, लेकिन दीपिका को लाइफ साइज होर्डिंग्स में मैं देख के आया हूँ इन न्यूयॉर्क। बहुत प्राउड फीलिंग थी और प्रोमो बहुत एक्साइटिंग लग रहा है फिल्म का। एक्शन बहुत ही, मैं इंटरनेशनल लेवल का कहने वाला था, लेकिन इंटरनेशनल फिल्म ही है ये। तो दीपिका को देखकर बहुत खुशी हुई है और बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ एंड आई रियली गोइंग टू सी द फिल्म ऑन द वीकेंड।
साथ में ओके जानू भी आ रही है, दोनों फिल्में आ रही हैं, एक तरफ हिंदी एक तरफ इंग्लिश।
तो बिल्कुल सब फ्राइडे ओके जानू देखें और शाम को ये जाके देख लें या वैसा वैसा जो भी हो। आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड।
क्या हुआ, दीपिका का भी गला खराब है?
हाँ, मेरा भी गला खराब है। चलो दोनों का गला खराब है। I think we should be very proud that they're doing some tremendous work out of the country. Both Priyanka and Deepika have achieved so much already. I think it's fantastic. We should celebrate that our talent is walking the talk across the country and the world. And it's great. I don't know about global domination or anything to do with that. All I can say is that I'm very proud our actors are all over the world.
Your book is also being hugely celebrated right now, and it's going to be out very soon. How excited or nervous are you about that?
Well, I suggest we launch it on the 16th, and once it's out, I hope everyone reads it and experiences what I have.
Thank you, Karan.
Yes, sir.
ट्रिपल एक्स की आप कितनी दीवानी है इस सीरीज की?
I haven't watched any of them. मैं सिर्फ दीपिका के लिए आई हूँ। मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ उसको देखने।
सबसे हराम को रोके जानू ट्रिपल एक्स में आ रही है, इसकी प्रायोरिटी होगी?
मैंने तो हराम खोर देखी है, बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट फिल्म है, तो मैं बोलूँगी हराम खोर देखना चाहिए। ओके जानू अभी तक देखी नहीं, बट सिनेमा में जाकर देखूँगी और ये फिल्म देखने के बाद मैं बताऊँगी।
2 दिन पहले बर्थडे भी था, क्या किया आपने?
बर्थडे, हाँ, मैंने डांस किया सुबह तक। थैंक यू।
Doing great. This is like being at a rock concert. It's not like a movie premiere, so this feels pretty damn good.
How much you excited for the release in India?
Oh, I am so excited for the release. It's so nice to know that tomorrow night people can actually go out and see the movie. Usually the premieres are not this close to when you can actually go see the movie, so it has an extra sense of excitement.
You want to say something in Hindi?
What can I say? I don't know any Hindi.
मैं
बहुत
खुश
Hush. Who?
Yes. You are very happy.
Thank you.
How has the reception in India been so far?
It's been amazing. Like I said, I feel like we're more at a rock concert, and what's really nice is as excited everybody is. It's a real kind of endearing love and like a real sort of chemistry. Like people really care. They get super excited, but at the same time, there's a real sort of reverence they have towards Deepika and Vin. So it's very nice. Well, I didn't. I mean, I kind of knew, but now I really know. And as the course of the movie went across, and I became friends with a lot of her fans, it was exciting for me because I felt like I wanted to do her right, and I wanted to do justice for her. And so it was really important for me to connect with her fans and understand how popular she really is.
Okay, guys.
How did you find Diesel dancing to Hindi songs?
I found her dancing very great. I think she's very athletic. I think she's incredibly sexy and beautiful. And we talked about putting some dancing into the next Triple X, so we're going to try to do that if we get a chance. Is that the long? Yeah. Oh yes, of course I've seen it. Very good. Very impressive. Thank you.
DJ, one picture, please.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
आगे
We went to Mexico last week, and they were so excited about Mexico, and all of us were excited about Mexico. And I had an amazing time. I'd never been there before. The fans were amazing, but I had a little thought in my head, and I was like, I know we can do better than this. And so I feel so happy that, and all of you have been so amazing. The fans have been amazing. I think we surpassed, it's not that they didn't expect it, they did expect it, but I think we surpassed even that. And just the way, I think everyone's put their best foot forward to welcome our guests. The warm welcome in India, in Mumbai when we landed. The girls, the dhols were being played, and the girls gave us this traditional warm welcome. And I could see that they literally had a goosebump moment, and they've been on their phones the whole day because their families are calling them, and they're so excited that they saw them in Indian clothes. And so don't tell them I told you this, but yeah. I think they were in shock. Vin was like, what is this piece of fabric? I was like, I think we're not explained to him what it was. Maybe tonight at dinner or something I'll explain to him what it is. But he's been so sporting, and he's so much fun. And so I hope now that everything I used to say about him, I think it kind of adds up. I used to say that he's really warm and an amazing person, and I'm sure all of you can see that now.
आप होस्ट कर रही हैं विन को मुंबई में, किन किन जगहों पे और क्या-क्या चीजें उसको खिलाने के लिए आप तैयार हैं?
Well, unfortunately, it's not that type of trip this year. Yes, I'm hosting him, but I'm hosting him because he's come to our home. He is in India, and the same way all of us are hosting him. But this time it's not that type of visit where I can take him out. It's really, I think this time our focus is really our fans and the media, and just to share this experience with everyone, because it's been such an incredible experience. I don't even think we have much time to do anything else other than just the premiere, and I think even tonight after this we just have a very small gathering and just a get together of I think the team, the very close team, just because a lot of them have worked on the film but never really met us. So just to sit down and have an intimate, quiet moment with everyone, and that's about it. And then I think tomorrow we have some interviews. Your voice is also gone. Oh. Yes, yes. Thank you. Yeah, absolutely. I think the fact that my birthday, we started the promotion on my... Look at this amazing person. My most favorite person. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank Sorry, what was this? Yeah, so I think it was the most amazing birthday gift because the whole promotion started on my birthday, and I thought of it as something very special, especially when it's not planned like that, but when it just happens like that. So I woke up in the morning, and I think I Instagrammed or I tweeted, I was like, it was my birthday, but it was also like the first day of the promotional tour. It just made my day even more special. And then all of them kept dropping surprises every now and then, cakes and flowers, and Vin sang for me. So yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Sumit, sorry, there's a lot of guests waiting for us.
Yes, he's unwell. Shah Rukh's unwell. I hope he gets well soon, and I hope I can see him tonight or tomorrow before I head back. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Sumit. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. make way for her.
Clear. How much are you excited for tonight?
I am so excited for tonight. It has been such a great feeling being here and bringing Xander Cage to India. As you all know, working with Deepika has been such a pleasure and such a joy, and I am so honored to be here in Mumbai to present the return of Xander Cage.
How was it dancing on Hindi dance, like an Indian song?
That's what we have to do. More dancing. More dancing.
When can you click a picture with all of us on that side? Windsor.
Yeah, he's
Going live.
चलो जब भी इधर आएगा तो हाथ में ले लेगा करेगा भाई करेगा रुकना भाई
So I'm here in Mumbai, I'm here in India with all of our friends. All of our friends over there. Namaste! This has been so intense. It's Xander Cage. We're just so blessed to be here. Thank you, India. Thank you for showing us so much love. One more time, guys, for the world. Shukriya.
Then just one.
Wait, I'm waiting since morning, please.
How are you guys? Very excited, of course. I've been looking forward to it, and the trailer looks really amazing, and Deepika looks hot. So it will be great seeing her do all the action. I think it's much cooler when girls are doing action. So yeah, I'm obviously a fan. So and I think Vin Diesel and Deepika also kind of complement each other, and they look really good. So it's a hot pair. Your throat is gone. Sorry. Well, I think I've just come in Bollywood, or rather the Hindi film industry. So yeah, let me just first settle in here. I'm still not completely settled. So let's see if obviously if a good opportunity comes, who's going to decline it? Yeah. I think, of course, their journey is very inspirational, and as an Indian, you do feel very proud when you see them do what they're doing. And as a girl, I feel really inspired. So, yeah. Thank you. And please take care of your throats.
इरफान सर
मैंने बोलते कितनी बार बोलूंगा भाई इनसे बोलो इनसे पूछो
ईयर सर, हैप्पी न्यू ईयर, हैप्पी न्यू ईयर। कुछ सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है, थोड़ा चिल्लाइए। थैंक यू।
प्राउड मोमेंट फॉर यू।
यस ऑफ कोर्स। Hello. Firstly, hello everybody. Very good evening to you all. Very happy New Year to you all. I hope you all have a happy and prosperous New Year. I am very, very excited for tonight. Big old premiere. Some special guests in town. The premiere of Triple X, starring Deepika, who is a very special co-actor of mine. And I'm looking forward to watching the movie.
Do you think you feel pride or Deepika representing India?
Yes, of course. She's an extremely gifted actor and an amazing movie star. Somebody who I admire, and I'm extremely proud of her.
Do you think this is a perfect birthday gift for her?
Yeah, I mean her birthday was a few days ago, but I'm glad they're having this premiere and that they're releasing in India a week before the global release. I think it's fantastic, and I'm a huge fan of the franchise. And I'm looking forward to seeing this installment. It's very exciting to see her in the Triple X franchise. I don't know, man. I'm just gonna meet him and take it as it comes.
बॉलीवुड में तो आपकी और दीपिका की केमिस्ट्री बहुत अच्छी है
जी।
विन डीजल के साथ कैसी लगी आपको केमिस्ट्री?
मेरी
दीपिका की और विन की?
वेल प्रोमोज में तो अच्छी लग रही है केमिस्ट्री। अब देखेंगे, पिक्चर देख के बताएंगे आपको। See, I'm always exploring and wanting and willing and very excited to explore new avenues, new opportunities, try out new things. So yeah, hopefully with the right opportunity, I'll do work with people from all over the world. It would be a very enriching experience for me.
One last question.
Any actress you would like to work with in Hollywood?
Deepika Padukone, Priyanka Chopra. हाँ जी जी। आपकी आवाज को क्या हुआ है? आप इतने एक्साइटेड हैं कि आपकी आवाज भी नहीं निकल रही है। हाँ जी बोलिए ना।
New face of thumbs up.
Yes. Thank you. मैं क्या बोलूँ? मैं हूँ तूफानी. Yes. Very very exciting. Very proud thing for me in my career to have been signed up by an iconic brand like Thumbs Up, and I feel extremely proud, and I'm really happy that the ad has been appreciated, and I hope the association is a most wonderful one. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Hello, hi, good evening. Happy New Year to you too. आपकी आवाज़ बैठी हुई है। Yeah, wishing Deepika all the best for Triple X. It's a huge opportunity for her. She's doing better and better and better with every film. So I'm very very happy for her, and I'm excited to be here with the team. The first Triple X that came out, I think about 14 years ago, was one of my favorite action films. So I'm sure it's going to be fantastic. Yeah, those are the 3 X's. Now you figured it out.
Shahid, we are loving this look of yours.
Thank you.
How is the shoot been going? The first schedule is done. How taxing was it? And if you could just tell us.
Well, first of all, this is not the look for Raja Rawal Ratan. You will only know the look next year when it comes out. We're hiding it. How, that you can guess. But this is not the look for Padmavati. This is half the look for Padmavati. The other half you'll see when the film comes out. The first schedule happened last month, and I'm very very happy. We shot for about 25 days. There's a lot more still to do, but it was a great start. It's a privilege to be working with Mr. Bhansali. When you get on his set and you see the way he puts things together, the way he makes his sets, the love and the passion with which he makes his movies, it's really really a privilege as an artist to be in that atmosphere, working with him. And when you see and when you get directed by him, you understand why some of the best performances from our leading artists, whether it's the actresses or the actors, have been in some of his films, because he really does provide you that opportunity and push you in that direction to give it your best.
You're also looking forward to
Sure. Sure.
So how was that been? How did you guys break the ice and how did the chemistry come along?
I don't think there was any ice to break. Me and Deepika have known each other for a few years. There were a lot of films that were offered to both of us, and for some reason or the other, either she said no or I said no, and somehow a film never happened. But today I can very confidently say that I'm happy that they didn't happen, because I think the kind of platform that Padmavati is for us to come together is fantastic, and the kind of filmmaker Mr. Bhansali is to be playing husband and wife and to have romance and to have emotional scenes and to have a lot of drama and to be playing king and queen. I'm really happy that finally we're working on a film like Padmavati together. सर प्लान बनाने से क्या होता है, वो तो अपॉर्चुनिटी जब आएगी तब देखेंगे. मैं साधु टाइप का आदमी हूँ सर, मेरे डिज़ायर ज़्यादा है नहीं. I just feel I'm very, very fortunate to be doing the work that I'm doing. I want to act with the best, whether that's in Hindi, English, or any other language that I can learn or maybe speak. I would be happy to do it. I love being in front of the camera. I love performing, and I love movies. So whatever language, I'd be happy.
One last, recently आपने Twitter पर अपना गुस्सा बताया सर, कुछ फोटो जर्नलिस्ट की तरह.
मैं तो बड़े प्यार से लिखा था यार, तुमने गुस्से में पढ़ लिया होगा. No, actually, you know, it's been a few months now that Misha's born, and there's many times that I've taken her out, and I've never said anything for all these months. So that particular incident happened because I read a report in the paper, which actually there was some report which compared some person covering 10-year-old kids का face cover किया हुआ है, and they said I'm doing the same thing. तो मुझे बड़ा अजीब लगा, because 4-5 महीने की बच्ची है, अगर इतने डिस्टेंस से फ्लैश होंगे कैमराज उसकी आंख पे, तो that's not good for her, you know. So I felt very hurt that this much sensitivity we should have, you know, to understand, and I felt it was very out of context. Otherwise, I think I've always been very understanding, and I know that, you know, you guys are doing your job, I'm doing my job. We can't do this without each other. There's no value. I have no value if these cameras are not here asking me these questions. And if you don't have somebody standing here talking, what's the point of all the cameras? So this is a relationship which we need to do together. And it was not at all for the cameraman. Actually, I think every time I have gone out, all those people who've been clicking pictures have tried to be as discreet as they can, but I understand it's their job. You know, if they don't click the picture, somebody else will. So that's a part of the job, and it happens all the time. But when I read something like that, it felt so out of context. It felt like somebody just wanted to put me down for no reason or to say something mean for no reason. And I can take that. I've been doing this for 13 years. But I don't like it if it's directed towards my family or my children. So I expressed myself honestly, and actually a lot of people were happy that I said something like that, because these are situations which are dangerous. I mean, when I go to promote my movies and there are so many people, there are women, there are children, there are all kinds of people who are there. And you know, there are always situations, and you always wish and pray that nobody ever gets hurt. You know, so we all need to be responsible about such situations. You need to be responsible, I need to be responsible, all of us need to be responsible.
Guys, thank you.
Why should I choose if Hollywood is not choosing and they are giving opportunities to so many people? They are being smart, right? So I'll also choose to be smart. Sir, if they come, I'll be very, very happy. If they come, I'll be very happy, Sumit. And if they don't come, then I will work harder. For me, Udta Punjab is a very special performance, and for me as an actor, it's possibly my most difficult role. I would put it above Heather, I would put it above Kamine, I would put it above Rangoon. Padmavati is still going on, so I can't say whether I would put it above that, but simply because I have never ever been an addict of anything. I have never even had a sip of alcohol, so for me to play that character was extremely challenging, and the fact that it got accepted was a huge achievement for me. So Udta Punjab and Tommy Singh are very close to my heart. He's the worst guy I've ever played, and I've had the most fun playing him.
Okay, thank you guys.
It's okay, don't worry.
Especially when it comes to song and dance.
Yes.
You know, we're sure Deepika will be having some special dance number, but I don't know if you, as the team, will have something to do with that. Since you are such a fabulous dancer, please you take a lesson in the classical avatar.
You want to wait for it? But no, let me be honest. Both Rangoon and Padmavati, I'm not going to be dancing, because in one I'm playing a Jawan. I'm playing an officer, and in the other one, I am playing a king. So it's doubtful. There will be songs. There are, I think, 2 or 3 songs that me and Deepika have together, but I will not be dancing in those songs. So I hope somebody offers me a movie where I can dance.
Also, staying on Rangoon, the trailer has been much appreciated. We are also looking forward to comparing with Kangana. We keep hearing reports about you and Kangana not being friends. Could you just clarify what exactly is it?
There are no issues between me and Kangana, and I also read an article somewhere that we might not promote together. There is no problem, and I'd be happy to promote the film whenever, wherever, happily with Kangana and with Saif, who's also a very big part of the film, and with everybody else, and with whoever chooses to be there, because Rangoon is out on the 24th of February. It's my 3rd film with Vishal Bhardwaj. A large part of who I am as an actor is defined by him, so these films are always special. It's very different from Heather. It's very different from Kamine. Don't expect either of those 2 films. This is a different film. It's an original film, and I'm doing something different in the film. So yeah, I'm excited and looking forward. It's my first collaboration with Sajid Naryadwala. It's the first time me and Kangana and Saif will be in a film together. So yeah, so no issues.
Shahid, I think so we should not bother you much. It's already launching. We wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Your family, God bless you and your family.
Thank you.
And thank you so for being so insightful and intelligent words for the relation between media and
Thank you so much. No, thank you. It's always a pleasure. Always a pleasure. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Shahid.